So here we are. Just came out of Bayport Marina in Midland. There's the Midland town docks there. We're heading up. We're gonna head up to Beckwith.
I'm giving everything I got. God knows I know it's not a lot. I'm headed somewhere, but I don't know where just yet. I've still got something left to prove that there's nothing I won't do. Do what it takes so I
can. Driving down the interstate, running 30 minutes late, singing Margaritaville and minding my own. Some foreign car driving dude with a road rage attitude pulled up beside me talking on his cell phone. He started yelling at me like I did something wrong. He flipped me the bird and then he was gone. Some beach somewhere, there's a big umbrella casting shade over an empty chair. Palm trees are growing and warm breezes blowing. I picture myself right there on some beach somewhere. I circled the parking lot trying to find a spot just big enough I could park my old truck. A man with a big cigar was getting into his car. I stopped and I waited for him to back up, when from out of nowhere a Mercedes-Benz came cruising up and whipped right